Okay guys, nananawagan. Charot. So guys, again, welcome back to Prototypes YouTube channel. This is Carmina. I am a wannabe creative. I don't know guys. Basta, I wanted to share this today's activity because I went out with the family, and my sister is going back to the States, so she's needing to buy some gifts, items for the family, and her going back to Florida with my niece to see of course, to spend time with her family. And so, ayun guys, so please check out some of the items here I just found. Might could spark hope also on your part. So, me too. I'm like, I just saw this a pair of boots, like two pairs of boots with my favorite colors, the blue and red. Those are some things that I liked, and some illustrations on shirts, and the beautiful box of this wipes pastry. It's called Hopia. I don't know. Check it out, guys. Basta ito. So anyway, I'll see you again, guys. Thank you. This one, guys, I just dressed up because it's perfect for the rainy season. Whatever. I hope everybody's safe, because of the typhoon that has just arrived. Okay, so guys, again, yun lang. I'm just wearing this for the shoot, pero I'm really wearing a shirt because I'm about to sleep na. But anyway, guys, so yun na nga. So I hope this sparks hope. I don't know, check it out. Tingnan nyo na lang, guys. Thank you, guys. These ones are assortments of nuts, any snacks, dried squid, everything, guys. Candies in a pouch. They're selling this for 20 pesos each. Cornic, nuts, pretzels, coated with chocolate. A lot of items, guys. I don't know. I know this is not a prototype. It's a final product. Pero it's just an idea that you might be thinking of, selling it in smaller increments, like smaller pouches. Cookies, crinkles, not in huge pouches. So these ones are, diba? So this one, there's a little kid right there playing with something. I wanted to take a video, but this is what he's doing, trying to organize those erasers, and it sparked, I don't know, I just love the colors. And then this one, the prints of the box, I like. You see, there's a Dubai chocolate Hopia right there. This is different brands, but Tipas is the famous brand here in the Philippines. It's a Philippine Hopia brand. Okay, so yan guys, for me